We've got several set. Everybody's made one. Some of them are aluminum and copper. Some of them are, such as this one here, is galvanized and copper. There's different mixes. There's all different sizes. Probably this is the largest one in the 4-inch piece of pipe. And I think it also happens to have the smallest one on there as well. As you can see, it also has the dingleberry battery on the side there. And just hanging on there, but it puts out about 70% of a volt too. So we run those up in series and parallel enough to get those to light up. So we're just going to monitor those different mixes and see how long these LEDs run. We want to see also that when they dry out, we want to see how many times we can wet them, and it will automatically charge. We don't know what the recharge cycle is on them too. So just kind of keep track of how long or how many days they're running and how many times in that many days you re-wet them to keep them going. You know what I'm saying? Because we want to know how many times it will, you can throw that back on there and get that voltage to come back.
Same thing, one.
Okay?
They all have the same birthday.
Some of the batteries, now let me say this, that some of those batteries you guys are using are a month old already. So,
I just meant like counting.
well, they're I understand what you're saying. They're 2 or 3 weeks old already, but I'm going to go to training tonight, guys. I'm going to clean up, get out of here.
Thank you.
I would be careful with them carrying them. You know, they'll still break off in there, especially
Someone
this.
might rob us for
Tall.
our batteries. Like, give us all your batteries.
Hey, the cops pull you over, they think you're going to blow something up.
Exactly.
Oh my God, it's a bomb.
So what are you gonna have us do next week? Yeah.
I think we'll probably watch some videos and probably go out to my greenhouse.
Hey, can you start
Because
phone?
I'm going to be installing
Make sure you had it right in your hand
When do
before I
you
said
want
that.
us to work on the fan?
This is nice.
We can anytime. I just thought we'll probably put these on the table since we all made
Yeah,
one.
I like that.
And then we'll put them all on and just, you know, and kind of date. And you know, it wouldn't be bad if you guys had a
How do you
pencil
zoom in?
write the date on your board. You know what I'm
How do you
saying?
zoom in?
Right here.
Can I do the scribe? Write that name. It's very outdated.
Broke it again.
Okay, what's today? 23, right?
It's nice.
Perfect.
It's a nice
Yeah,
camera.
I have the rainbow.
Do you really?
Not a nice camera stand, huh?
I have the rainbow glow.
At least you got a screw.
You know, it's not really made to put off light. It's just made to show that the, you know, the concept
You might need this if you
is
think.
sound.
Yeah, sure.
Batteries are functional.
It's still recording. Don't worry, I'll edit that out.
Whoa, what can put out light?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
What can
Well,
put
how
out?
much usable light?
Yes.
That's a good question. If you want some more, let me see. If you, why don't you want to shoot this just real quick? You want to shoot this by hand real quick?
Oh, sure. Here you go.
A couple of notes about this orgonite. I seen this on YouTube. I just wanted to put some together to see how it worked, what the effect was. Crystals have a piezoelectric effect, meaning if you put them underneath stress, that they will give off electrical charge. What this is fiberglass resin, 2-part resin, and it's been poured in a wine glass and it shrinks down. So I've got some quartz crystals in here, and I've also have some metal shavings in here of aluminum and brass and some small copper. And in addition to that, there is the quartz crystal in there. Now, on YouTube, they make a lot of claims all about these benefiting plants, about animals liking them, weather effects, and quote-unquote energy transmutation. I built them because I thought it was pretty and wanted to do some experiments. So far, what I did was I put them in my freezer and put an ice tray. I'll put this on the top rack and put an ice tray under there and filled it up. And the next morning when I woke up, there were shards grew up out of the ice tray, 1.5 to 2 inches long, trying to reach up and touch this thing. Actually, the water defied gravity and built crystals up to try to reach this thing. Interestingly enough, too, we have electronic magnetic field detector, and the magnetic field detector is picking up something here. So there is an energy given off. I don't really know what. I don't know if the claims are what they say. And it's just experimental piece. I found it interesting. It's called Orgonite.
So does the shape affect
It does not.
so it can be